Hello everyone, how are you my dear girls and boys? I hope you're fit and fine and you're studying really well because your examination is going to begin very soon. So today's video is on history picture study, some important multiple choice questions. It is question 34. Look at the picture given below and answer the following questions. Now, the 19th century saw a series of religious and social reform movements. Identify this socio-religious reformer who heralded the coming of the modern age in Indian history. The options: Swami Vivekananda, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Jyotiba Phule or Dada Bhai Nauroji. The right answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. It's time for the next question now. This famous personality established in 1828 Brahmo Samaj, Ramakrishna Mission, Arya Samaj, Satya Shodhak Samaj. The right answer is Brahmo Samaj, established in 1828, is not merely a religious movement but also includes in its programs matters of social and political reform. It brought in a new awakening in India. So let's read the next question now. The Bengali Weekly started by him, which had a distinct nationalist and progressive character: Gulamgiri, Samvad Kaumudi, Mirat-ul-Akbar or Anand Mat. What is the right answer? Yes, it is the second option, Samvad Kaumudi. Raja Ram Mohan Roy had started this weekly in 1821. Later he started a Persian paper called Mirat-ul-Akbar. The next question now, and you will have 4 questions, 4 marks, 1 mark for each question. The next one now, the 4th question. Which of the following is not true about the social reforms of this reformer? Not true, keep this in mind. Attacked caste system, polygamy, child marriage, fought against sati, considered the caste structure to be slavery and wanted education for the Dalits, or protested against the practice of denying women the right to property. The right answer is considered the caste structure to be slavery and wanted education for the Dalits. It is a contribution of Jyotiba Phule. Now it's time for the second picture. Again, look at the picture and try to identify this famous personality. He was born in 1866 at Kolhapur in Maharashtra. Now, he was best known as the political guru of Gandhi. Who is he? Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Sri Aurobindo, Bal Gangadhar Tilak or Rabindranath Tagore? He is the first option, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. For 4 years, he edited the Sudharak, a quarterly journal of the Purna Sarvajanik Sabha. This is also very important. Now, the other question. He was in South Africa for dash days and the credit for bringing back Gandhi to political scene goes to him. 25 days, 26 days, 24 days or 21 days. The right answer is the second option, 26 days. Question 3. What did this person not believe in to achieve the goal? Not believe in passive resistance, petitions, appeals to justice or violence. He did not believe in violence. He believed in constitutional agitation, petitions, appeals to justice and passive resistance. The 4th question now. In 1905, he established the East India Association, Indian National Congress, Servants of India Society or Arya Samaj. If you have read the book thoroughly, you will know the answer. Yes, the right answer is he founded the Servants of India Society. Here is another famous personality. Now look at his picture. And I am sure you have identified him correctly. Identification is very important. So be careful while studying, while reading. Look at the pictures as well. Now, identify this outstanding leader of assertive nationalism. Is he Bipin Chandra Pal? Is he Bal Gangadhar Tilak or Lala Lajpat Rai? Or is he Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay or Chatterjee? Who is he? He is the second option, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Now, which means did he not employ? Again, not employ to arouse nationalism among masses. Celebrate Ganapati festival, passive resistance, organized akhadas and lathi clubs in Maharashtra, or revived the Shivaji festival. The right answer is he did not believe in passive resistance. Which of the following is not associated with this personality? Maharatha, Geet Rahasya, Kesari or Anand Math? The right answer is Anand Math because it is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. What were his political beliefs? Swaraj, assertive nationalism, Swadeshi or all of the above? The right answer is all of the above, the fourth option. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I will upload more of such videos in future as well. Till then, kindly subscribe to our channel Study English with Momita and Shomi. Take care. Bye.